If you are interested in updating your city information or need to for purposes of connecting your city course completion certificates to Mentor for NSU, you should first log into your current city program account or the account that has the information you would like to acquire. Your home screen after signing in should look similar to this. From there, you should see a box in the upper right-hand corner with your name and ID number. Click on the drop-down arrow to access the list of options, including the option of profiles. Click on this button to view your profile page. Doing so should provide you with this screen. There's a list of categories that you can change or add to on this page. But to change specific profile information, you should scroll to the Member Profile section and click the blue Edit Profile button. Now you have the ability to change aspects like your security question and your email. Please note, for NSU faculty and staff who are interested in research but have your course completion records under an email not affiliated with NSU, you should edit your profile to display your NSU email address. If you prefer not to change your email address to an NSU email, you should create another city profile with NSU as the institutional affiliation. This allows the NSU IRB to certify that you have passed the appropriate training requirements. Additionally, Mentor will have access to your NSU training certificates so that you can fill out an NSU IRB application. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact the NSU IRB office via phone or email.